Here is a Peruvian oven-roasted turkey. This recipe makes 8 servings and takes about 3 hours and 30 minutes including brining and resting. Ingredients for the Peruvian roast turkey. 1 whole turkey, about 8 pounds, approximately 3.6 kilograms. 3 tablespoons ají panca paste, about 45 grams. 2 tablespoons ají amarillo paste, about 30 grams. 6 cloves of garlic, minced. 1 large red onion, roughly chopped, about 200 grams. Half cup fresh lime juice, 120 milliliters. Quarter cup soy sauce, 60 milliliters. 1/3 cup olive oil, about 80 milliliters. 4 tablespoons of softened butter, about 56 grams. 2 teaspoons ground cumin, about 4 grams. 2 teaspoons dried oregano, about 4 grams. 2 tablespoons kosher salt, about 36 grams. 2 teaspoons black pepper, about 5 grams. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 163 degrees Celsius. Remove the giblets from the turkey cavity and set them aside, then rinse the turkey and pat it dry thoroughly with paper towels. Combine 3 tablespoons of ají panca paste, 2 tablespoons of ají amarillo paste, 6 cloves of minced garlic, half cup of fresh lime juice, quarter cup soy sauce, 1/3 cup olive oil, 2 teaspoons ground cumin, and 2 teaspoons dried oregano in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of the salt and 1 teaspoon of the black pepper. Mix thoroughly until you have a smooth adobo marinade. Spoon half of the adobo marinade into a small covered container and reserve it for basting during roasting. Keep the other half for rubbing directly on the turkey. Season the turkey cavity with 1 tablespoon of the kosher salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Rub the cavity interior evenly so the flavors start to penetrate. Gently loosen the skin over the breast with your fingers to create a pocket. Take 4 tablespoons of softened butter and push half of it under the skin over the breast area, spreading it evenly to keep the meat moist. Use the remaining adobo to rub all over the turkey skin and inside the cavity, spreading it evenly. Reserve any excess for basting later. Place the turkey breast side up on a roasting rack in a roasting pan. Tuck the wing tips under the body to prevent burning and position the turkey centered in the oven. Place the turkey in the preheated oven and roast at 325 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 163 degrees Celsius. Roast approximately 13 minutes per pound, about 1 hour and 44 minutes to 2 hours total for an 8-pound turkey. Plan to baste every 30 minutes with the reserved adobo and pan juices. Every 30 minutes, open the oven and baste the turkey with the reserved adobo and pan juices, using about 2 to 3 tablespoons each time to coat the skin evenly. If the skin is browning too quickly, tend a loose piece of aluminum foil over the turkey to prevent burning while allowing the bird to continue cooking evenly. About 30 minutes before the estimated end time, brush the turkey with the remaining softened butter to promote deep golden color and crisp skin. Check doneness with an instant read thermometer in the thickest part of the thigh. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 74 degrees Celsius. If it has reached temperature, remove the turkey from the oven. Remove the turkey from the pan and tent it loosely with foil. Let it rest for 20 minutes to redistribute juices before carving. Carve the turkey into slices and arrange on a platter, spooning any pan juices and reserved adobo over the slices. Serve and enjoy. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe and ring the bell. Ingredient 28. Added as listed in the recipe.